Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, let's open settings. Tap on display. And here we've got all settings for our display. We can change brightness level, turn on or off night light, adaptive brightness, wallpaper, we can enable or disable dark theme, and auto rotate screen. Also you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds or never. Then we can adjust our LED, top screen display, font size, display size, screensaver, screen record, lock screen display, and lift to wake. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.